Hi there. I was thinking starting today to make some voices, also to make some voiceover over my clip. So I choose this MARANTZ Professional MPM 1000. Basically, I'm talking now on this microphone, and I hope that everything's gonna be alright. We're gonna do a little unboxing, and let's see what we're gonna have here. I was searching on the internet to see all kinds of microphones. I have one Behringer C1. It's absolutely terrible. The problem is that that C1 microphone is having a lot of noise, and no, it's unusable, and it's brand new. I can't send it back because it's 4 or 5 years. It's kind of old. So what we have here, we have like XL cable. That's great because you buy something and you want to use it right away. It's okay to have all the cables and accessory that you need. What we have here, this is a pop-up filter I'm using right now. Let's see how it's working. We have a little stand here. I think this is okay to use. It's proper, and you can make all kind of adaptive things to do on your mounting shoulders, or I don't know. This tripod, I think this is very small. It's not so comfy, but it's okay to have it in the box. I think I will use it for something else. So it's pretty solid. And this is a microphone, of course. This is a condenser microphone, so you need 48 volts. I think it's a metal case, pretty well built. I just hope that the sound will be much better than the Behringer C1 that I have. I don't know, maybe you have a solution to make it work, but I noticed that this is common factory default factory issue for many of this C1 model. There are people that are using it and everything is okay. I think it's just a matter of, I don't know, production line. I don't know, but it is not working. This one is very okay, very nice grip here. The idea is that you have to speak in the side where is the MARANTZ text applied there. So I think it's unidirectional, it's not omnidirectional. Tripod is kind of nice. I don't know what to say. I sure not gonna use it, but the microphone it's pretty well built. By the way, for ones to know, I'm using a Canon M50, and the second one I'm using 2 cameras is an old Panasonic GF3, but it's quite okay. You have a decent quality image. So this is the microphone. You have the pop-up, you have that cable, it's okay. I do have another cable, but I hope that you enjoy, and I hope this video will, I don't know, will give you an idea about how the sound is and how the microphone is. Okay, so thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.